The ILIFE V2 robot vacuum cleaner promises tangle-free suction and automatic daily floor maintenance at an accessible price. This low-cost robot is designed for straightforward dust and hair pickup in smaller homes. It focuses on essential vacuuming without advanced mapping or integrated mopping. Check the link in the description for the best price. This chart examines how well the ILIFE V2 handles typical cleaning tasks in real-world home environments. The V2 performs its best on hard floors and in homes with simpler layouts, where it navigates quite effectively. This robot is genuinely useful for picking up routine crumbs, dust, and light debris, especially on hard floor surfaces. Its tangle-focused suction port design is a real benefit for pet owners, helping to minimize frustrating hair wrap issues. The ILIFE V2 truly shines in handling routine daily messes, especially on hard floors, and its design works to minimize pet hair tangles. This chart evaluates the value proposition of the ILIFE V2 at its budget-friendly price point. The most significant strength of the ILIFE V2 is its remarkably low upfront cost, making automatic cleaning accessible to more buyers. Its straightforward operation is a major benefit for users who prefer simple, no-fuss cleaning without complex setup or apps. While it handles everyday maintenance well, buyers should not expect the deep cleaning power or advanced capabilities of premium robotic vacuums. The ILIFE V2 offers excellent affordability and straightforward operation, providing solid cleaning value for its accessible price. This chart highlights the potential risks and common complaints associated with budget robot vacuums like the V2. Budget robots are more prone to getting stuck on cords, chair legs, or various clutter, requiring some pre-cleaning preparation. Its deep carpet performance will likely not match more powerful, premium robotic vacuums, so manage your expectations for rugs. It is important for buyers to maintain realistic expectations regarding suction power, mapping, and edge cleaning capabilities at this budget price. Navigation and carpet performance are common limitations, emphasizing the need for realistic buyer expectations at this price point. The ILIFE V2 robot vacuum cleaner earns a recommendation for its role as an entry-level, budget-friendly option. It excels at routine dust and hair cleanup, especially on hard floors, offering genuine value for its price point. However, be mindful of its limitations regarding advanced navigation and deep carpet performance. It is a sensible choice when buyer expectations align with its more basic capabilities.